What's your name? Sorry, I couldn't pronounce it.
Hello everyone, I am Jashan Pratap from India, Uttarakhand, and today I'll be demonstrating my project, which is Jalaginam. So I'll start the presentation in front of you all. Just a second.
Sure.
So this is Jalaginam, the revolutionary water bottle that I have made. So the proposal category of my project is electronics, and I am an individual representing this project. So, so the overview of this project is that project is basically based upon a smart and automatic bottle. This is an extremely user-friendly and is compatible with an Android mobile app. This bottle will help you set your routine for hydrating yourself as per your needs. This bottle automatically cleans the water that is stored in it as per the alarm set by the user in the Android app. This bottle helps the user to view the temperature of the bottle and the volume of water via the Android app. The bottle is clinically, biologically, and mechanically tested. As per the result, the bottle almost cleans all the microorganisms, microplastics, and sediments that are present in the water. This bottle is extremely portable and can be carried anywhere we go. So now I'll proceed with my presentation. So the features of the project are: it has an Android compatible app, it has Bluetooth connectivity and IoT connectivity. We can control the temperature and change the temperature as per the needs of the user via the app. It has various alarms that the user can set as per his routine. It has automatic cleaning system which is done through the UV lights that are present in the bottle. It has various sensors that helps us to examine the temperature and the height of the water that is present in the bottle. It has blending features in it as well. We have a mechanical screw that helps us to blend the fruits and other day-to-day things that we use every day, and we need to crush it. And it has rechargeable and changeable batteries also. So the total cost of this project was about four 4,800 rupees, which is almost $60. It is pretty affordable if we compare it with the alternatives of blender and water purifiers, and if we combine it with rechargeable and changeable batteries, so it is pretty feasible. Now there is a great need of this project in the future and the present, as over 3.4 billion people die annually due to waterborne diseases as well. And also in these tough times when pandemic is on its peak, and we have chances of future pandemics as well. So projects like these can be very helpful to control the death toll in the future and help us deal with pandemics as well. So this is the project timeline. The version 1 was completed by me in September 20. So it included filters and UV lights that worked on physical instructions. So we had to manually switch it on and off. Then there was a version 2 that I developed. In the second version, a dedicated app and temperature sensors were added. In the version 3, AI and height sensors were added. So now there was artificial intelligence which was monitoring the cleaning of the bottle. So the UV lights were switching on automatically as per the alarms that was set by the user. And in the version 4, palleters and blenders equipments were added to control the temperature and use the bottle as a blender to mix ingredients for any use. Ma'am, can I know that I am audible or not?
We can hear you.
So now I'll proceed ahead and I'll show you that how it works. So there are various processes that are going on in a bottle. So the first process is of microfiltration. So this prototype uses the technology of microfiltration to remove the sediments, microplastics, and other unwanted materials from the bottle. The sizes of the holes in the microplastics is zero point 0.1 microns, through which most of the bacteria and protozoas cannot pass. The microfilters in the bottle are in the form of very small pipes, which are embedded, uh, which are embedded in the pipe-like structure. So the filter present in the bottle has the capacity to purify up to 100,000 gallons of water. To put things in perspective, this is the amount of water that an average person drinks in 6 years. So the filter in this bottle will last up to 6 years, and after that, it is interchangeable. So we can change it further. Now, the second process is the purification by UV LEDs. So the UV LEDs ensure that all the harmful pathogens and microorganisms are killed and the water becomes free of contaminants. The UV light uses ultraviolet rays, and it can eliminate up to 99% of the germs that are present in the water. This has been tested and has been implemented in the bottle. Um, so then there is the working of the blender. I have used a mechanical blender in my bottle. So simply what we have to do is that we have to pull pull the pulley of the blender, and it will automatically blend the fruits and other materials that are present in the bottle. Now, working of various sensors in the bottle. So there are two sensors that I have included in my bottle. The first sensor is the temperature sensor. It helps us view the temperature of the bottle via the Android app, and it helps us to control the temperature of the bottle as well. And then there is ultrasonic sensors, which help us examine the height of the water that is present in the bottle, and then it helps us to examine the volume of the bottle remotely with IoT and Bluetooth. So now we will start talking about the power source of the project. The power source of the project is a battery with enormous power. The capacity of the power bank is a lot more than traditional power banks that are used in day-to-day life. The capacity of the battery is 15,000 mAh. It provides a current of a reading of 1.5 ampere. The power bank is able to run the project up to 14 days. So we can go to Antarctica or any place, and we can, without charging our bottle, we can use it for our projects. So now I'll start talking about the role of palleters in the bottle. So often we have a need to drink cold and hot water as per our needs. So the palleters serve us those requirements. It helps us to it helps us to cool and heat the water as per our requirements uh, through the through the app that is installed in the bottle. So now there is interrelation between different components. So the various components in the project work with each other in an interactive way using the commands that are given by Arduino Mini, which is a microcontroller. For example, the temperature control of the bottle is governed by both the temperature sensor and palleters working together. So everything in this project is working together to give us the desired output. The app that we have installed in our phone, and the microcontroller is giving the instructions to the sensors, and then it is being powered by the power bank that we have used. So now we come up to the C++ programming that I have done for the project. So programming plays a significant role in the project. It is responsible for functioning of the microcontroller Arduino, which controls all the electrical aspects of the project, as I have mentioned earlier. The programming of this project was compiled and completed on C++ language. It is a high-end language which is used in almost each and every field of information technology to complete essential tasks. So I have used various variables like the pins that are in the Arduino Mini, such as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and analog 0. And I have used commands like digital write and serial print to complete the C plus programming of this project. So this is the interface that I have used. I have included various libraries such as Liquid Crystal and DTH to to deliver the desired output through the LEDs and the temperature sensors that were in the bottle. So these are the codes that I have used. You can have a look at the include liquid crystal library that I have used, include software serial.h, and then the library of DTH, which is for controlling the temperature. So now we will start talking about the role of Arduino Mini in my project. So Arduino Mini is the brain of the entire project and is embedded in a way that it is controlling all the aspects of the project. It is powered by Atmega 328. It has 14 digital input and output pins that can be used. So I have used a 3.3 volt Arduino Mini, which is powering my project and which is powering all the sensors. So the role of Arduino Mini is it receives commands from the phone and give the output accordingly. It sends information via the Bluetooth module. It controls the temperature of the bottle by turning on and off the paletter of the project. It measures the reading of various sensors in the project. It also works as an adapter for components, as in voltage coming is 9 volt and requires voltage is 5 volts. So it also regulates the current that is coming through the battery. Now, the connectivity via Bluetooth has been completed by the Bluetooth module that I have included. So there is a wire that is going to the positive side, and then there is a wire going to negative side, and then there is receiving and sending signals that have been completed by the Bluetooth module that are present in the project. So now we start talking about the Android app that I have used for my water purifying bottle.
Jashan, I'm sorry to interrupt, but I just want to let you know you have about 1 more minute.
Okay, no problem, ma'am. No
Thank you.
problem. So the overview of my Android app is that it has a front-end interface and a back-end interface. It has various features, like it has a user-friendly interface. It has automatic signals for purification. It has Bluetooth connectivity. So these are the codes for the project. And then there are screenshots of the app that I have used. And then there are different structures for the bottle. So there is a membrane of the bottle, and I have designed a 3D design for the bottle if it goes to an industrial level. And then there is the circuit of the bottle, and then there is photo of the experimental prototype. It has various benefits, and we have done real life analysis for the project, and it is cost effective, and we have taken the feedbacks of several people for this project. So now I'll start demonstrating my project in the form of video. So this is the prototype of my project. So when we turn on the switch, it blinks, and then I'll start demonstrating the app to you. So I have developed this water purifying bottle app. So here we have to set the gap between reminders and the number of times we want to be reminded to drink water. And then there is an editable message. So whenever uh, the alarms will ring, the bottle will start its purification process, and we have to connect it via Bluetooth. So right now it is disconnected, but now it has been disconnected. And now when I turn on, the the purification will turn on for 60 seconds, and then it will turn off as I hit the button. And then there is the temperature control as well for this bottle that I'm going to demonstrate to you. Just a second. I don't know. So this is the temperature readings that have been given by the app, and then there are additional features to this bottle as well, that we can clean our keys and our day-to-day items with this, uh, with the UV LEDs that are in. the project. So further related projects can be that we can make it fully electric instead of mechanical, and I will do further advancements as per your suggestions. So that was it for my presentation. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. I know that Maya might have a question for you, and then we'll have to close up.
I liked how you
Sure.
I liked how you had like different versions of the water bottle. Like version 1 you made like you did like the purifier and all that. I liked how you made like different versions, and I have a question. Would you make another version, like add more stuff to the water bottle?
Yeah, I'll surely add more stuff. Like then right now there is a mechanical blender that is working on the pulley system. So we have to manually pull it to blend the stuff. But uh, I'm thinking of making it fully electric so that the blender works in accordance with the app. Like there are temperature control sensors, and then there is the alarm that are working as per the app.
That's really cool. I'm
Mhm.
looking forward to see your next generation of the water bottle.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And Jashan, I just had a real quick question for you. For those people that are watching today or will watch your video later off our website, is there anything that you need? And if so, how do people reach you?
Ma'am, of course, I need financial resources because I'm a student and I don't have, contact to investors. So
Okay.
financial resources is, the major lag behind where I lag behind is financial resources and assistant. So everyone can reach me on my phone number. That is
What can you?
plus.
I don't
uh,
know if you want to put a phone number in. Is there an
uh,
email address instead?
yes, yes.
Can
I
you
can.
share
I
it
can.
in chat and I'll put it on YouTube? And then,
Sure, ma'am.
and you can also
Any.
say your email address here so that if somebody's watching the video that they can reach you.
So anyone can reach me on my email address. That is JASHANPRATAP123 @gmail.com.
Okay, put that in the chat for me before you go as well too. And thank you so much for your
Thank you,
time.
ma'am.
I'm sorry that our schedule was a little messed up, but I'm glad that you were able to
No.
present and you have a wonderful innovation. Please come back in a future gift program and show us your progress on it.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.